Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Zillay. Today I will tell you how you can take more realistic pictures with night mode. You should use tripod because it is mandatory for long exposure. So first of all, don't write it. Tap on exposure and then drag it from 1s to 10s and wait just 1 to 3 seconds so it will automatically change into 30 seconds long exposure. I want to share a tip how you can take this type of pictures. First of all, a good timing. A Milky Way is not always seen in the sky due to clouds and light polluted sky. So it is also better to have a moonless sky because the light from the moon can overlap with the Milky Ways.
How you can edit these photos without any app?
First of all, exposure -30, brilliance 20, highlights 55, shadows 100, contrast 100, brightness 100, black point 100, sharpness 100, noise reduction 100, and vignette also 50. And do not apply saturation and vibrancy because these two filters change the actual colors. Now here is some pictures I taken them with iPhone. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.